It was a huge baby.
I'm about
What are
to
you
take a
doing?
picture, Felicia.
Oh, I should probably get mine too. Sorry. What's that?
Okay. There's no flash on it.
What?
What's up?
Hi. I love Matt Jones. What's new?
Who?
Matt Jones.
Who?
Matt Jones.
I don't know who I like.
Which is really weird.
And how is that weird?
Because you always like someone.
Really?
Yeah.
And who do I always like?
Bobby. Yeah. But of course, you still are my best friend.
Really?
Maybe. No, yeah. I'm just kidding.
I always get my way. And if I don't, I'm not a happy girl.
Yeah, just don't upset the girl.
That's all you gotta say.
And you won't have any problems with her.
Shoot!
Bye. I'm Donatello.
And I'm Raphael, but you can call me Ralphie.